Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show how to apply for leave in Infosys and what are the leave policies of Infosys. Launch Info.me. Go to Services. Scroll down. Expand Me section. Click on Leave. Select Apply Leave. Here you can select the type of leave you want. Earned leave is the leave that Infosys provides every quarter of the year according to your chosen leave year cycle. Here you can see how many leaves you will get after every quarter of a year. These are the different leave year cycles you can select. For a systems engineer and systems engineer trainee, you will get 4 leaves each for the first 3 quarters and 3 leaves in the last quarter. For level 4 and above, you will get 5 leaves each in 4 quarters. You will get a total of 15 leaves for level 3 and 20 leaves for level 4 and above in a leave year. This is the Infosys leave policy for India. For April to March leave year, leaves will lapse on the 31st of March for a leave balance of more than 50% of a year's entitlement, and for balance above 30 days. For January to December leave year, leaves will lapse on the 31st of December for a leave balance of more than 50% of a year's entitlement, and for balance above 30 days. Let's understand the leave policy with an example. Let an employee is at level 4 and it's his first year. Leave in a year, 20 days, leave taken, 5 days, remaining leaves, 15 days, more than 50% leave of current year, next year leave, 20 days, total leaves accumulated, 15 plus 20 equals 35 days. Since, not more than 50% of current year leave can be carried forward, so, from remaining 15 days, only 10 days will be carried forward, and the total leaves of the employee for next cycle will be 10 plus 20 equals 30 days. Now the employee is in the second year. Leave in a year plus leave of first year, 30 days, leave taken, 18 days, remaining leaves, 12 days, less than 50% leave of current year, next year leave, 20 days, total leaves accumulated, 12 plus 20 equals 32 days, greater than 30. But the total leaves in a year cannot be greater than 30 days, so, from 12 days, 2 days will be deducted, and he will be getting 10 plus 20 equals 30 days in third year. Let's see how to check your earned leave. Go to Profile. Click Show Full Profile. Scroll down. Here you can see your earned leave balance. Now going back to Apply Leave. Leave without pay or leave with loss of pay. This is the leave policy for leave without pay. Compensatory off is an entitled leave that an employee can take on a working day as a compensation for working at employer's request on a holiday or weekend. In simple terms, when an employee works overtime at the request of his employer, then later he or she can take time off or compensatory off from their work. Bereavement leave is a paid leave policy granted by the employer in the situation where an employee loses his or her family member, relative, spouse, children, sibling, or any other relationship. This leave is facilitated so that the employee can deal with the state of intense grief caused due to the loss of a loved one. In order to apply for bereavement leave, the employee needs to inform his or her employer immediately after the occurrence of death. COVID positive report is mandatory for availing the COVID leave. You may still proceed with applying for provisional leave and upload the proof within a week. As per the revised guidelines, effective September 1, 2021, COVID-19 leaves are applicable to only employees who are vaccinated, either first or second dose. In case employee is not vaccinated, COVID-19 leaves are not applicable. Please reach out to your unit HR for any further queries. Adoption leave is a leave of absence granted to a parent to care for a new baby. Here you have to provide medical or adoption agency certificate and primary caretaker statement. Here you select the date from which you want leave. Here you can select full or half day. If you are going to work few hours on your leave starting date, you can select half day. Similarly, you can fill for leave ending date. Type the reason for your leave. Here your manager username should automatically come. If not, enter your manager username manually. Click Submit. Your leave will be applied. After applying for leave, inform your track leader and manager that you are on leave for this date to this date.